What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now the good guys over at Rinky were kind enough to send over two cases. They did send over a tempered glass screen protector. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do a full walkthrough of the best screen protectors, so stay tuned for that. We've also got a camera styling kit. That'll be in a separate video again with the lens protectors and stuff that we've got. It just says camera styling in alloy, and it's going to change the colour from blue to black on my phone, but I don't know whether I'll use them. This is what we're actually here for. So they sent over the Fusion iPhone Pro Max Clear and Fusion Bold iPhone in matte black. Let's go with the Clear first. So there's two ways of opening it. You can rip the packaging open and obviously recycle, or you can try and take it off from the bottom. We're just gonna, where it says tear here, I'm just gonna follow the instructions. So let's tear and then take it out like so, nothing else inside the packaging. And then what is this? Protective film removal guide, how to remove that inner film. So you got what looks like one on the outside and potentially one on the inside. So there's that one, and the other one is on the outside, so we'll wait for that one. But what I'll show you first is, so you got the buttons here, including the action button, place for a lanyard. It curves around there on the edges for some CPU style absorption. You got your cutouts in the middle, power button on this side, the Rinky brand in here with another lanyard cutout for your camera, and yeah, let's just get the blue titanium Pro Max and get this put in. So inside the case it goes, and there we go. So now let's remove the film from this side. Pretty easy enough to take off, so there we go. Off it comes. There is the clear with the blue titanium. Let me know what you think of that one. Is that something you'd go for if you're looking for a good clear case? Maybe the Rinky one is the one to go for. So I'm the cutout right here, and they are nice and embedded into that cutout. Like, that is really embedded into there. That's not going to cause any issues. You're going to be able to place it down like so, and it won't touch your cameras. And of course around the edge, around the top and the bottom, it does seem to have a bit of lip protection, but in the middle not so much. But then top and bottom, place it down like so and not have to worry about it. So let's go ahead and check wireless charge. Let's bring in the base stand. Now obviously it doesn't have the MagSafe logo, but obviously the phone does, and yeah, it's not going to lift off at the end of the day. I mean, obviously if you do just wirelessly charge and a normal wireless charger, this is perfect. But obviously if you plug it into, then obviously you won't need to worry about MagSafe. But obviously the magnet's not strong because there is no actual MagSafe on the case. But yeah, let me know what you think of the clear. Nice solid clicky buttons, feels great. So let's go ahead and keep moving, and let's move on to the matte black version now and see what that one looks like. So place the phone back, and then obviously same again, eco packaging, the ultimate experience. Over 60 million people already use our Rinky products. So let's go ahead and tear this one, take this out, and of course how to remove the film again. So we'll remove the inner film. Always aim for the bottom corners, it says, according to that. So aim for the bottom corners and just try and peel it away. It will come loose. I mean, I don't really have that like nails, so, but even for that, worked pretty well for me. So there is the matte black side, Rinky logo on the bottom, cutouts again, matte black camera ring, nice grippy texture on the side right here. So let's go ahead and place the 15 Pro Max inside. Let's see what it looks like. So inside it goes. Let's it's making this look like a matte blue now. You got your camera cutout right here again, same as the other one. Cameras are nice and recessed into there. Nice clicky buttons. Yeah, nice and clicky. All your cutouts on the bottom. Let's check wireless charge. Yeah, it does wirelessly charge, but obviously no MagSafe. But you know, not to worry. If you don't use MagSafe, then it's not needed. But let me know what you think of that one. Is that something you'd go for, or would the clear be your choice? Let me know in the comment section which one you go for. Both nice cases. I mean, that does feel really nice, like the matte texture. And of course they're nice grippy sides compared to that one. Nice and grippy, nice texture. Rinky logo on the bottom. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I will leave links to these down there to where you can go ahead and pick these up. Huge thank you to Rinky for sending these over. They look great, feel great, and yeah, a great addition to your case collection, I'd say, especially with the new ones to show off the colour of your iPhone. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you soon.